A billion-dollar bet on AI that writes your code just closed, and it might change how every piece of software gets built. I'm Alex Chen. This is AInow, your daily top 5 in artificial intelligence. Let's count it down. Coming in at number 5, Meta is going all in on AI subscriptions. The company just launched Meta One Plus at $8 a month and Meta One Premium at $20, covering image generation, video creation, and extended reasoning capabilities. But here's the bigger play. According to Fortune and The Information, Meta also announced a new enterprise solutions unit that will embed engineers directly inside corporate clients. Sound familiar? That's exactly what Anthropic does with their forward-deployed model. This is Meta's most aggressive move yet to monetize AI and go head-to-head with OpenAI and Anthropic in the enterprise market. The subscription wars are officially heating up, but things get bigger. Here's number 4. At number 4, OpenAI just made enterprise adoption a whole lot easier. Their frontier models and Codex are now generally available on AWS through Amazon Bedrock. What does that mean? Millions of AWS customers can now access OpenAI's most powerful capabilities through their existing security, compliance, and governance workflows. No new infrastructure headaches. According to OpenAI's release, enterprise customers like pharmaceutical giant Amgen are already evaluating GPT 5.5 for complex scientific applications. This removes one of the biggest barriers to enterprise AI adoption. Companies can now deploy cutting-edge AI without leaving the AWS ecosystem they already trust. Number 3 is where things get interesting. Number 3 tonight, SpaceX is about to make history. AI Funding Tracker reports the IPO roadshow begins June 8th with pricing expected June 11th, and they're targeting a $1.75 trillion market debut. That would make it the largest IPO ever. But here's why this matters for AI. SpaceX is just the opening act in what analysts are calling a $3 trillion plus AI IPO supercycle. Anthropic and OpenAI are both expected to list later this year. The SpaceX valuation will set the benchmark for every AI company that follows. We're watching public equity markets prepare for a fundamental reshaping. We're down to the top 2. Here's what took the number 2 spot. In at number 2, Congress just dropped a 269-page blueprint for federal AI regulation. Representatives Jay Obernolte and Lori Trahan unveiled the Great American Artificial Intelligence Act, according to Roll Call. The bipartisan bill focuses on model safety and workforce impacts, formalizing federal oversight through Commerce's Center for AI Standards with $100 million in annual funding. The critical detail? It would preempt state AI development laws for 3 years, meaning California's frontier safety regulations could be blocked. This is the most significant federal AI legislation attempt in years. If it passes, we're looking at a unified national AI framework that supersedes the state-by-state patchwork. And now, the biggest AI story of the day. The number 1 story today, Cognition AI, just raised $1 billion at a $26 billion valuation. Fortune and The Information report this massive round for the company behind Devin, the AI coding agent that made waves when it launched. To put this in perspective, a startup building software that writes software just became more valuable than most established tech companies. This isn't just about cognition. This funding validates an entire thesis that autonomous coding agents can fundamentally transform how software gets built. Investors are betting that the future of programming isn't humans typing code, it's humans directing AI agents that do the heavy lifting. The race to automate software development just entered a new phase. That's your AInow Top 5 for June 6, 2026. If any of these stories surprised you, drop it in the comments, like and subscribe if AI news is your thing. I'll see you tomorrow.